The cryptocurrency market is a whirlwind of volatility. Fortunes can be made and lost in the blink of an eye. It's no wonder that traders are constantly searching for an edge. Imagine a way to navigate this chaotic landscape with precision and speed. Imagine a tool that could analyze market data, identify trends, and execute trades with lightning-fast efficiency. Enter the world of crypto trading bots. These automated marvels are designed to take the emotion out of trading. They operate 24/7, tirelessly scanning the markets for profitable opportunities. With a trading bot at your disposal, you can potentially capitalize on market movements that would otherwise be impossible to catch. But building a profitable trading bot is no easy feat. It requires a deep understanding of both the cryptocurrency market and the intricacies of programming. Traditional trading bots often rely on complex algorithms and technical indicators, which can be daunting for novice traders. Now imagine a world where building a sophisticated crypto trading bot is within everyone's reach. Imagine a world where you could harness the power of artificial intelligence to automate your trading strategies. That's where ChatGPT comes in. ChatGPT is a revolutionary language model that's changing the way we interact with technology. It can understand and generate human-like text, making it the perfect tool for building a more intuitive and accessible crypto trading bot. With ChatGPT, you don't need to be a coding wizard to create a powerful trading bot. Instead of wrestling with complex code, you can simply communicate your trading strategies to ChatGPT in plain English. Want to create a bot that buys Bitcoin when the RSI dips below 30? Just tell ChatGPT. It can translate your instructions into executable code, making the bot building process a breeze. In this guide, we'll take you on a journey to build your very own ChatGPT-powered crypto trading bot. We'll break down the process into manageable steps, from setting up your trading environment to deploying your bot and watching it work its magic. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, this guide will equip you with the knowledge and tools to navigate the exciting world of automated crypto trading with ChatGPT. Get ready to unlock a new level of trading potential and potentially earn passive income from the cryptocurrency market. The world of cryptocurrency can feel like stepping into a foreign country. It's a digital realm where traditional financial rules often don't apply. Before you even think about building a trading bot, it's crucial to grasp the fundamentals of this unique market. At the heart of it all are cryptocurrency exchanges. These online platforms serve as marketplaces where you can buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. Think of them as the New York Stock Exchange or NASDAQ for the digital asset world. Popular exchanges include Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, and many more, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Unlike traditional markets, cryptocurrency exchanges operate 24/7. That's right, no weekends or holidays off for these digital workhorses. This non-stop action contributes to the market's notorious volatility. Prices can swing wildly in a matter of hours, presenting both risks and opportunities for traders. Speaking of prices, you'll often see them quoted in US dollars. However, most trading actually happens between cryptocurrencies themselves. This is where the concept of trading pairs comes in. A trading pair refers to two cryptocurrencies that can be exchanged for each other. BTC USDT represents Bitcoin and Tether. BTC is the base currency. USDT is the quote currency. Specify the type of order you want to execute. Common order types are market and limit orders. A market order buys or sells at the best available price. It's quick but lacks price control. A limit order sets a specific price. It offers price control but no execution guarantee. Understanding trading pairs and order types is crucial. Your bot needs to know which pairs to trade and what orders to execute. Navigating the cryptocurrency market is like riding a roller coaster. There are exhilarating highs and stomach-churning lows. Understanding market conditions is essential for making informed trading decisions and programming your bot to react accordingly. One way to classify market conditions is by looking at whether the market is in a bullish or bearish trend. A bull market is characterized by rising prices and optimistic sentiment. Traders are confident and eager to buy, pushing prices higher. This is a good time to buy the dip and ride the upward trend. Conversely, a bear market is a time of falling prices and fear. Traders are hesitant to buy, and many are selling to cut their losses. This can be a challenging time to trade, but savvy investors can still find opportunities to profit through strategies like short selling or buying undervalued assets. Of course, not all market conditions fit neatly into these two categories. There are also periods of sideways movement, where prices fluctuate within a narrow range. This can be a frustrating time for traders, as it's difficult to predict which way the market will break out. Before you unleash your ChatGPT-powered bot into the wild world of crypto trading, you need a solid strategy. Think of this as your bot's game plan for navigating the market. There are countless strategies, each with its own risk and reward. Scalping aims for quick profits from small price fluctuations. Swing trading profits from price swings over days or weeks. Arbitrage exploits price differences between exchanges. Trend following rides established market trends. Before we can unleash the power of ChatGPT in our crypto trading adventures, we need to lay a solid foundation. Just like a builder needs bricks and mortar, we need a programming language that can handle the complexities of financial markets. And in the world of crypto trading bots, Python reigns supreme. Python's popularity in the trading world stems from its versatility, readability, and a vast ecosystem of libraries specifically designed for financial analysis. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for tackling market data, crunching numbers, and automating trading strategies. One of Python's greatest strengths lies in its ability to connect to cryptocurrency exchanges through APIs, or application programming interfaces. These APIs act as bridges, allowing our Python code to communicate with exchanges, fetch real-time market data, and execute trades on our behalf. But Python itself is just the starting point. To truly unlock its potential for crypto trading, we need to equip ourselves with specialized libraries. These libraries are pre-built collections of code that provide ready-made solutions for common trading tasks, saving us countless hours of coding from scratch. Think of APIs as the messengers that carry our trading instructions to the bustling marketplace of cryptocurrency exchanges. Through these APIs, our Python code can interact with exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, and many more, each offering a gateway to a world of trading opportunities. Before we can start sending our bots on trading missions, we need to establish a connection with our chosen exchange. This typically involves signing up for an account, generating API keys, and configuring our Python environment to use these keys securely. Think of these API keys as our digital credentials, granting our code access to the exchange's inner workings. Once the connection is established, we can start tapping into the treasure trove of data provided by the exchange's API. We can fetch real-time price quotes, delve into historical trading data, and even monitor our account balances and open orders. This data is the lifeblood of our trading bot, providing the insights it needs to make informed decisions. However, not all exchanges are created equal. They vary in terms of the cryptocurrencies they offer, their trading fees, the features available through their APIs, and their overall reliability. It's crucial to choose an exchange that aligns with our trading goals and risk tolerance. With Python as our foundation and APIs as our bridge to the exchanges, it's time to gather the essential tools for our trading bot. The Python ecosystem offers libraries for financial analysis and trading. One such library is ccxt, a game changer for crypto traders. It provides a unified interface for multiple exchanges, allowing seamless switching without rewriting code. For market data, we turn to pandas, which excels at handling and analyzing structured data. To uncover patterns and generate signals, we use the TA library for technical indicators. Section 1. The Architect of Profit Blueprinting Your Trading Bot. Designing a successful crypto trading bot is like crafting a well-oiled machine. Each component must work in harmony to achieve consistent profitability. Our bot will be a tireless market observer, continuously monitoring cryptocurrency prices and trading volumes. Imagine it as a hawk circling above the market, never missing a beat. Equipped with technical indicators, it transforms data into actionable trading signals. The bot will autonomously execute trades, capitalizing on profitable opportunities. Section 2. Market Data Analysis, the eyes and ears of your bot. In cryptocurrency trading, information is king. Our bot needs real-time market data to make decisions. Exchange APIs act as the bot's eyes and ears. They provide real-time price ticks and historical data. This data helps the bot identify price movements and trends. Order book data shows current buy and sell orders. Our bot processes this information using Python libraries. Section 3. Signal generation, transforming data into actionable insights. Raw market data is like a jumbled puzzle. To make sense of it, our bot needs to employ technical indicators, the tools that will help it identify patterns, trends, and potential trading opportunities. Think of these indicators as the bot's secret decoder ring, unlocking hidden messages within the market's noise. One of the most popular technical indicators is the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, a momentum oscillator that measures the magnitude of recent price changes to evaluate overbought or oversold conditions. Imagine it as a gauge indicating whether the market is overheated or overbought or oversold, ripe for a bounce. Another widely used indicator is the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD, which shows the relationship between two moving averages of prices. Think of it as a trend-following tool that helps identify changes in the direction of a trend. These are just two examples of the many technical indicators at our disposal. The key is to choose indicators that align with our trading strategy and risk tolerance. We can program our bot to use a combination of indicators to generate more robust trading signals. Our bot analyzes market data and generates trading signals. Through the exchange's API, it can automatically place buy and sell orders. Robust risk management like stop-loss orders is crucial to protect our capital. It's time to build the core functionality of our trading bot. Using the ccxt library, we can fetch real-time and historical market data. This data serves as the raw material for our bot's analysis and decision-making. We transform raw market data into actionable trading signals. Python's technical analysis libraries help calculate indicators like moving averages and RSI. ChatGPT interprets these indicators, providing human-like insights into trading opportunities. Our bot can now execute trades autonomously based on ChatGPT's guidance. We define rules and thresholds that trigger specific trading actions. The ccxt library helps place market or limit orders, ensuring consistent execution. ChatGPT's versatility enhances our bot beyond technical analysis. It can analyze news, social media, and forum discussions to gauge market sentiment. This information is incorporated into the bot's decision-making process. Backtesting allows us to simulate our bot's performance on historical data. We evaluate its strengths and weaknesses before live trading. This process helps optimize our bot's strategy and risk management. Paper trading simulates real-time trades using a virtual account. It validates our backtesting results and identifies overfitting. This hands-on experience builds confidence in our bot's strategy. Performance monitoring is crucial for continuous optimization. We track key metrics like profitability, drawdown, and win rate. Regular analysis helps us adapt and keep our bot performing at its best. Reliable hosting solutions ensure uninterrupted bot operation. Cloud platforms like AWS and Google Cloud offer virtual private servers. These platforms provide scalability and high uptime guarantees. Scaling involves trading multiple cryptocurrencies across various exchanges. The ccxt library helps integrate with additional exchanges. Advanced techniques like machine learning can enhance profitability. Market volatility and API reliability are significant challenges. Volatility can lead to significant losses for automated systems. API disruptions can cause missed opportunities or unintended trades. Robust security measures are essential to protect your bot. Safeguard API keys and secure the operating environment. Stay informed about the latest security practices and potential threats. We've journeyed together through the intricate world of building and deploying a ChatGPT-powered crypto trading bot, exploring the technical foundations, strategic considerations, and potential pitfalls along the way. As we conclude this exploration, it's evident that we stand at the cusp of a new era in trading, an era where artificial intelligence transforms how we navigate the complexities of financial markets. The fusion of ChatGPT's natural language processing capabilities with traditional trading algorithms opens up a realm of possibilities previously reserved for seasoned programmers and quantitative analysts. Now anyone with a grasp of trading fundamentals and a willingness to learn can harness the power of AI to automate their trading strategies, potentially unlocking a new level of efficiency and profitability. Imagine a future where trading bots are no longer confined to the realm of technical jargon and complex code, but are accessible to anyone seeking to participate in the exciting world of cryptocurrency. This democratization of trading has the potential to empower individuals, level the playing field, and reshape the financial landscape as we know it. But as we embrace this future, it's crucial to remember that ChatGPT is not a magic bullet that guarantees overnight riches. The cryptocurrency market remains a volatile and unpredictable beast, capable of rewarding handsomely and punishing severely. Building a successful trading bot, even with the assistance of ChatGPT, requires dedication, a thirst for knowledge, and a willingness to adapt to ever-changing market conditions. Start small, thoroughly test your strategies, and never risk more than you can afford to lose. The world of crypto trading is a marathon, not a sprint, and consistent, responsible trading practices are the key to long-term success. Embrace the learning process, continuously refine your bot strategies, and never stop exploring new ways to leverage ChatGPT's evolving capabilities. As AI technology advances and our understanding of financial markets deepens, the potential for innovation in automated trading is limitless. The journey of 1,000 trades begins with a single step. Take that step today and embark on your adventure into the exciting world of AI-powered crypto trading. Who knows what profits and innovations await you on the other side?